I'm going to show you how I make my own homemade scent eliminator spray. What I do is I keep some old bottles around and refill them. You could use any spray bottle, but the ingredients are easy. Just regular baking soda, hydrogen peroxide 3%. You could buy anywhere, it's dirt cheap, and some distilled water. Also, you're going to need a little bit of any brand, any kind, scent-free soap or shampoo. This is some laundry detergent, scent-free, free and clear. I put a little bit in there. I only use about a tablespoon of soap, and the only purpose of it is it helps it adhere to surfaces. If you ever see a bug walking on water, if you put a little soap in that water, the bug will get stuck in the water. So it just breaks that surface tension and lets your spray stick to you. So anyway, let's go over how much to use. Regular 1 cup measuring cup. You will use a half a cup of baking soda, 4 cups of water, 4 cups of hydrogen peroxide. You mix them together, let the reaction happen, let it sit in a bucket for a few days, and then it's ready to use. So we'll do about a half cup of baking soda. Next we'll go with the distilled water. 1, 2, 3, 4 cups of distilled water. Hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to do the same thing, 4 cups. So there's 1, 2, 3. Okay. And we're going to go with the soap. Just any kind of soap. You just want to put a little bit in. That's enough. Tiny bit. Tablespoon maybe. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it up. Okay, I'll use anything to mix it. Just using the measuring cup just to mix it up. I'll stick the lid on it. It's probably going to blow the lid off if you put it on tight. And I'll just let it sit inside for a few days until the chemical reaction takes place. It'll bubble and foam a little bit. This is an optional step, but you could also add your own colloidal silver. And what you're going to need is some silver wire. I use 2 silver bars. You could buy these at a coin shop, but let me show you what to do. Oh, let me tell you why silver. Silver helps to kill bacteria or stop it from growing, and it helps eliminate odors. People have been using silver for a long time. They put silver in fabric to keep people from smelling, and it's been used for a while to eliminate odors or bacteria growth. So let's see how to make some colloidal silver. So what I have here, besides the 2 silver plates, I got some alligator clips, a 6-volt rechargeable battery. I guess it doesn't matter what kind of battery you use. Some distilled water. You're going to need just a pinch of kosher salt, otherwise the reaction doesn't bubble up. Alright, so I'm going to fill my glass here. That should be fine. Just get a little bit of salt. Not much, okay. There's a little kosher salt in there. I taped some chopsticks together just to hold everything in place. I don't want the clips to touch the water. Only the silver should touch the water. So I'm going to try to position it so that the silver is in the water, the plates, but the clips are not. I switched it to a stronger battery. You can see the one plate on the positive pole. The silver plate is completely tarnished. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrub it with a scouring pad and put it back in. The other one is still bright color silver. Okay. Okay, it fizzes up a little bit, goes through a little bit of a reaction. After a few days, about 3 days, that will calm down. Okay, let it sit for a few days, about 3 days, and then fill up any spray bottle you like, and there you have it. Very cheap, low cost scent eliminator spray. I believe it works better than commercially available products. I hope this helped somebody. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.